Hi there, Dory Cox with Lion Real Estate here. What's the difference between a GFCI and an HVAC? When you buy a house, you have the right to and are advised to have a professional home inspection done. Sure, when you walked through the house, you absolutely loved it, but did you climb up into the attic or crawl under the floors? Most likely not. A professional home inspection will show you all of the imperfections, big and small, and from there, you can negotiate, repair, credit, or perhaps change your mind entirely about buying the home, although usually negotiation works out pretty well. So by the end of the home inspection, you will know the difference between a GFCI and an HVAC. Thanks for watching. Please share, and we'll see you next time.